Want to breathe new life into your aging laptop's graphics? First, let's find out if you even have the Nvidia Nvs 5200m. Head to your Start menu and type Device Manager, then press Enter to open it. Inside Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. This is where your graphics card lives. Can you see Nvidia Nvs 5200m? If so, great, let's keep moving. Next, open your favorite web browser and search Nvidia driver download. Click the official Nvidia website link and you'll be directed to their driver download portal. Now, it's time to meticulously select the proper options for your Nvs 5200m. Under Product Type, select Notebook, then under Product Series choose Nvs Series. For product, click on Nvs 5200m. Finally, under Operating System, select your operating system and start the search. On the next screen, you'll see the most recent driver matching your GPU. Click the Download button. After, when the download has finished, click Agree and download. That downloaded file is what will grant your GPU a newer, more compatible driver. After the download is complete, find the file and open it. Just continue to follow the prompts on screen to install the driver. You may need to also accept their terms and conditions. After the installation is complete, your system may prompt a restart. Once restarted, your Nvidia Nvs 5200m driver is now updated. This process should help your work or gaming sessions become more convenient and provide better performance. If you like this video, then give this video a like and subscribe for more content.